Hi guys, welcome back. Lesson how to turn off the X sound effects on iPhone and Android. If the new sound effects on X, formerly Twitter, are driving you crazy, you are not alone. From notification tools to in-app clicks, these sounds can quickly become distracting, especially when you are scrolling in a quiet place or trying to stay focused. Well, the good news is that you can easily turn them off, whether you're using an iPhone or Android device. X offers built-in controls to silence these sound effects without affecting the rest of your phone's audio settings. That said, let's get started. So first you have to launch the X app on your device, and then you have to head over to your profile. And then you have to choose settings and privacy option at the bottom. After that, you have to choose accessibility, display, and languages option. Then you have to select display and sound option. Then you have to head over to the sound section and disable the toggle for sound effects. Note that there is also an option to disable the sound effects in spaces as well. So if you want to use the app with complete peace of mind, I would recommend you to disable this toggle as well. And that's about it. You have successfully turned off the sound effects on X using your iPhone or Android device. With those audio distractions gone, scrolling should feel much smoother and quieter now. And yes, if you ever decide to bring them back later, just return to the same settings and toggle them on again. Enjoy a more peaceful experience on X, and I'll catch you up in the next one.